This video is your practical guide to creating 5 simple digital products. If you're a busy mom or caregiver on a budget, have you ever wondered why so many digital products never actually sell? It's usually not because the idea is bad. It's because people start too big, they spend months building a massive course or a complex system only to launch to crickets. What if the secret isn't to build something bigger, but to start smaller? Because most beginners don't fail from lack of ideas, they fail because they try to build something too big, too soon, and then they quit. So instead, I'm going to show you 5 simple digital products you can actually create this weekend using free tools, even if you're exhausted and short on time. In case we haven't met, I'm Isabel, founder of Your Techie Isabel and Home Biz Builders. I built my business as a busy single mom of two and caregiver to my special needs daughter, so I know how important it is to keep things simple and realistic. Everything I share here is based on what actually works when time and money are limited. And yes, this video is created with my Heijen AI avatar. Quiet time to film is rare in my life as a caregiver, so this helps me keep showing up here and supporting you anyway. You see people online talking about passive income from digital products, and it feels like it's for someone with more time, more energy, and a bigger budget than you. You're juggling a job, a family, and a to do list that never seems to shrink. The idea of building a business from the ground up feels completely overwhelming. You don't have thousands of dollars for software or months to develop a course. You have a weekend, a laptop, and maybe a budget of zero. If that's where you are, you're in the right place. My goal is to give you a clear, simple path to prove to yourself that you can make money online without burning out. I'm going to walk you through 5 beginner friendly digital products you can create with free tools and sell almost immediately. These aren't just random ideas, they are strategic solutions to problems that people, especially other busy women, will happily pay for. The goal is not to create more, the goal is to create something small that solves one real problem. The first product is for anyone who has ever stared at a blank social media calendar and felt completely drained. You know you need to be consistent for your side hustle or online business, but creating fresh content every single day is a time sucking nightmare. The problem is a huge lack of time and creative energy. The solution: niche specific Canva templates. Forget the generic pretty quote boxes. This is where so many beginners get stuck. Real value comes from solving a specific problem for a specific person. Think about it. A real estate agent doesn't need another inspirational quote. She needs just listed graphics, open house announcements, and client testimonial layouts. A home baker needs templates for her weekly menu, holiday pre orders, and behind the scenes posts. And here's the simple part: you aren't creating hundreds of designs from scratch. You're creating one cohesive plug and play system for one type of person. You can create a bundle of 20-30 templates for a niche like photographers, coaches, or virtual assistants using only the free version of Canva. You design them once, and you can sell them an infinite number of times. Your customer buys the bundle, and their social media for the next month is essentially done. You just saved them hours of work and decision fatigue. That's a solution worth paying for. You can sell these bundles using the free plan on system.io, which lets you build a sales page and delivers your product automatically. This next product idea tackles the feeling of constant mental overload. Your brain feels like a web browser with 100 tabs open: grocery lists, appointments, deadlines, and that nagging feeling you're forgetting something important. The problem is a chaotic mind. The solution is a hyper specific digital planner or tracker. Now, I am not talking about creating a massive 500-page hyperlinked digital planner that takes months to design. Most people overcomplicate this. That is not a real life friendly product to create. I'm talking about a simple 1 to 5 page PDF that solves one specific problem. Think smaller, think simpler. Examples that work well are a weekly meal and core tracker for busy families, a side hustle income and expense tracker for freelancers, or a medical bill and appointment log for caregivers. You can easily create these in Canva, starting with their free templates. The power of this is its simplicity. You don't need more, you need simpler. You aren't trying to organize someone's entire life. You're giving them one tool to solve a single nagging pain point. Someone trying to get their finances in order might feel overwhelmed by a full budgeting system, but a one page debt payoff tracker feels achievable. A parent doesn't have time for a complex family command center, but a printable kids core chart is an instant win. You can design these as fillable PDFs or simple printable sheets and list them for $5 to $15 on System.io. The platform handles the payment and automatically delivers the file, making it truly passive for you. This third product idea is for every woman who has thought, I don't have anything to teach, I'm not an expert. This is one of the biggest myths holding people back. You don't need a PhD to be helpful. You just need to have solved a problem that someone else is currently facing. The problem is imposter syndrome. The solution is a short, 5 to 30 page how to guide based on something you've personally figured out. This is where beginners get stuck, thinking they have nothing valuable to share. Think about the systems you've created in your own life. Have you perfected a way to batch cook healthy meals on a Sunday? Did you figure out how to grow vegetables on a small apartment balcony? Did you navigate the confusing process of moving to another country? These are real life solutions to real life problems. Someone right now is struggling with the exact thing you just figured out. You can package your knowledge into a simple PDF guide. For example, my 1 hour meal prep system for busy weeks, a caregiver's guide to 15-minute productivity, or how I made my first $100 selling crafts at a local market. You can write this in Google Docs or Canva, add a few images, design a cover, and save it as a PDF. That's it. You don't need to write a novel. A short, actionable guide that gives someone a quick win is often far more valuable than a massive, overwhelming book. You can sell these for $7 to $20 using System.io, and they're powerful because they are built on your authentic experience. As you hear these ideas, your wheels are probably turning. You might be thinking, these are great, but how do I actually launch and sell them with the right tools, especially on a budget? I've created a free training to address exactly that, called Save Big While Selling Digital Products with the Right Tools. Inside, you'll discover a simple system for launching and selling digital products using free and affordable tools, made for budget conscious creators ready to start smart. When you sign up, you'll also get my digital product Lean Launch Toolkit Action Guide to help you follow every step from the training and start building your system right away. You can grab it for free at the link in the description. The fourth product is perfect for anyone who loves sharing good finds but doesn't want to create something entirely from scratch. We are constantly drowning in information, and sometimes the most valuable thing you can offer is clarity. The problem is information overload. The solution is a simple curated resource guide. The mistake most people make is thinking you have to create everything from scratch. You don't. This is just a polished PDF that gathers the best resources on a specific topic. You're not creating the content, you're acting as a trusted expert who has done the homework for someone else. Think of yourself as a DJ, but for information, for example, you could create a beginner's toolkit for starting a podcast. All free tools, the top 50 free stock photo sites for course creators, or my favorite 25 YouTube channels for learning to knit. These are things people are already searching for online. You can create this in Google Docs or Canva, organize the links with short descriptions, add a nice cover, and save it as a PDF. It's an incredibly simple way to provide immense value by saving someone hours of searching. You can sell it for a few dollars or even offer it as a freebie to grow your email list, both of which you can set up on an all in one platform like System.io. The fifth and final beginner friendly digital product is for those who might want to dip their toes into online courses but are terrified by the idea of filming and editing a massive program. The problem is that a full course is a huge, time intensive project. The solution is the 30-minute paid mini workshop. Most people overcomplicate this. They think course and imagine a 6-month project. The idea is simple. You teach one very specific skill that delivers a quick win. Instead of a course on how to start a business, you create a workshop on how to design your first logo in Canva for free. Instead of mastering Instagram, you offer a workshop on how to write 30 days of Instagram hooks in 30 minutes. And here's the most efficient way to do it. You don't need a camera. Create a few simple slides in Canva that outline your steps. Then open up a free Zoom account, hit record, and share your screen as you talk through the slides and demonstrate the process. That recording is saved as an MP4 file directly to your desktop or laptop after you end the Zoom meeting, and that becomes your digital product. You can sell this recorded workshop for $10 to $30. People love these because they're affordable, low commitment, and deliver an immediate result. It's a powerful way to establish your credibility without spending months in content creation mode. You teach it once, and that recording can generate sales for you 24/7. I want to pull back the curtain and show you how quickly this can come together. Let's make a simple habit tracker in Canva right now. Okay, here we are on the Canva homepage using the free version. First, I make sure I select templates on the left-hand side. In the search bar, I'm going to type habit tracker. Look at all these templates that pop up instantly. I'll pick this simple one to use as a starting point. I don't love these colors, so let's go with the light pink and lavender. Now I'll change the font to something more modern. And I'll call this my monthly habit tracker. This template has sections for different habits. Let's customize them. I'll change these to drink 8 glasses of water, 15 minutes of movement, and read 10 pages. These are just examples. Your customer could fill in their own. I want to add a little motivational quote at the bottom. I'll add a text box and type, one small step at a time. I can now go to Share, click Download, and save it as a PDF. In less than 2 minutes, I have a finished digital product ready to sell. It really is that simple. See, if you can use Canva, you can do this. You do not need to be a graphic designer. You just need to start with a template and make it your own. If you're still unsure what to create first, watch this next video, my free 5-day clarity challenge. I walk you through how to choose your first digital product step by step so you do not waste time and money creating the wrong thing. I'll see you there.